Hello students, welcome to business studies class. So today I think this is our last topic and we would be studying the training methods. Training methods, there are two types of training method. One is on the job training and second is off the job training. So during the job hours, whatever the training has been provided, that is known as on the job training. Okay, so it is said that learning by doing. Okay, you are working also and you are learning also, so that is known as on the job training. Next, first in on the job, that is apprenticeship program, imparting knowledge and skills in doing a job. Trainee is put under the supervision of experienced person. इसमें क्या होता है कि when the employee is joining the organization, he is working under the supervision. One supervisor would be guiding him that how to work, what to do. Okay, so everything would be guided by him and according to his supervision he would be working. So that is known as apprenticeship program, that one person would be there with you and the person who continuously would be guiding you, would be train you. Next is coaching. Coaching is like a coach. Leader or manager guides and instructs the trainee as a coach. Periodical reviews for improvement. पर जनरली स्पोर्ट्स में और उसमें ज़्यादा होता है, या कई बार ऐसे कोई टेक्नोलॉजी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में ले आए हैं तो उसमें ज़्यादा होता है कि 15-15 दिन पे उस पर रिव्यू भी किया जाता है कि आपका परफॉर्मेंस कैसा है, आप कितना पीछे चल रहे हैं, आपको आगे क्या करना है बेटर होने के लिए. सो एवरीथिंग वुड बी गाइडेड. Next is internship training. Now what is internship training? That during your studies you must have getting the practical exposure, which is known as internship training. I tell you my example. When I was doing MBA, in the last semester we had one internship program that we are supposed to go in one of the organization. We have to see that how the organization work and how the organization is running. So everything is seen by there, which is known as internship training. Next is job rotation. Systematically shifted from one job to another. For an example, sometimes the organization, they do these things that if they want to make you a multitasking, talented, so what they will do, someday they would be giving you one job, the another day they would be giving the another job, and the third day they would be giving the third job, which is known as job rotation. So time by time they are changing your job, they are changing your role. So at one day it would be like you would be having all the knowledges together. You would be having one job performance knowledge, second job performance knowledge, and third job knowledge. So you would be having all the knowledges together. So it is the benefits of job rotation. So on the job training we have understood apprenticeship, coaching, internship and job rotation. Now next is training methods of the job training. This training which you are not taking in the organization, this training is taken outside the organization, which is known as of the job training. Imparting training outside the workplace. ओके, वर्कप्लेस पे नहीं होता है, ये बाहर आपको ट्रेनिंग दिया जाता है. सबसे पहला है क्लासरूम लेक्चर्स ऑन कॉन्फ्रेंसेस. Okay, so they are holding the conferences where they tell you that which rules they have made or which rules they are going to apply, and how you are supposed to be disciplined, how you are supposed to be during the working hours in the organization. So everything will teach you, or everything would be conveying by them. So that comes in classroom lectures. Next is film shows. Sometimes they show you movies. Okay, sometimes they show the movies, and from that you are supposed to learn like information through demonetization. So there are many movies are there. If you want to have a knowledge about share market, so they will show you the Bazaar movie, right? So from film shows they will guide you that which step one should take and how. Case study. Case study is the actual experience of manager are given to the trainee to find out suitable solution. अब ये सिचुएशंस होती है जो कहीं ना कहीं पास्ट में हो गई होती हैं. अब वही सिचुएशन आपको दी जाती हैं और उस सिचुएशन के ऊपर से आइडेंटिफाई करना होता है कि कब क्या कैसे डिसीजंस लिए जाएं, कौन से डिसीजंस लिए जाएं. ठीक है, इस प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन कैसे होगा, प्रॉब्लम कितना कॉम्प्लेक्स है और कितना इसको हम ईजी बना सकते हैं. So that you can study from case studies, and after studying that or after understanding the case study you have to write the what we can say, the solution of it. Next is computer modeling. Realities of job imitated through computer program. Trainees familiarize the situation and minimize mistakes in real job. See what is computerized modeling. For an example कि अगर कोई कार है, ठीक है, कार अभी आपको कोई पूरा कार देगा, आपने उसमें ट्रेनिंग देगा कार से, आपने उस कार को ख़राब वराब कर दिया तो आप कैसे करेंगे? हाँ, वो कार का नुकसान हो जाएगा। इसी जगह वो क्या करते हैं कि कंप्यूटर में आपको एक मॉडल प्रिपेयर करते हैं, वो मॉडल को देखना है, कहाँ कहाँ प्रॉब्लम्स आ रहे हैं वो आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है। तो कंप्यूटर के थ्रू जब आप चीज़ों का सॉल्यूशन देते हैं तो उसको हम बोलते हैं कंप्यूटर मॉडलिंग मेथड। ओके, इसकी वजह से क्या होगा कि जो रियल लाइफ में जो हम ट्रेनिंग लेते हैं उसमें जो मिस्टेक्स या मिस्टेक होने के चांसेस हैं वो यहाँ पे कम हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि कंप्यूटर में आपसे एक मिस्टेक हुआ आप उसको रेक्टिफाई कर सकते हैं, वाइल उसमें वो रेक्टिफाई करना डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाता है। नेक्स्ट इज़ वेस्टिब्यूल ट्रेनिंग। एन एक्चुअल वर्क सिचुएशन इज़ क्रिएटेड इन अ क्लासरूम, सेम मटीरियल इक्विपमेंट फॉर ट्रेनिंग। जो आपका काम है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का, ठीक है, तो जब आप ट्रेनिंग ले रहे हैं और आपको जहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग दी जा रही है जिस क्लासरूम में, एक्चुअल में भी वहाँ पे भी ऐसा ही पूरा सिनारियो क्रिएट किया होगा और आपको मशीनरीज़ या जो भी आप रॉ मटेरियल या जो भी आपका सामान है वो आपको दिया होगा और आपको उसको वहाँ पे उस पर काम करना है तो ही आइडिया आ सकता है, तो जिसको बोलते हैं वेस्टिब्यूल ट्रेनिंग। Next is programmed instruction. A new subject is given to the trainees in a graded sequence. Trainee work through it, stage their comprehension by answering some questions. Now what is it? Okay, new subject. Okay, if a company wants to introduce a new product or a new product line in the market, but before that they should survey that whether their employees are capable enough to sort that problem or not. So that's why they would be giving that, and by seeing and by identifying that program, they would be making the solutions, they would be making the new ideas, and they would be generating the new ideas. So that comes in programmed instruction.